How to add profile picture in Zoom. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Zoom on your device. Here, click on your profile at the top right corner of your screen. After you've clicked on your profile at the top right corner of your screen, it will open all these options. Click on Profile, then click on My Profile. After you've clicked on My Profile in here, it will lead you to this page in a web browser. Now click on your profile in the pencil icon, which will open this page. Here, scroll down and you'll find this option, Change. Click on it, then choose or take photo. If you click on choose, you will be able to choose pictures from your computer. Then press on open after selecting. Then crop the image as you want and press on save. And after you do that, your profile will be changed. When you go to Zoom app, you will find your new profile. This is how to add profile picture in Zoom. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.